We should do something funny, Taylor.
Like what?
I don't know. How about this?
Maybe nut shots?
No. Because I'm thinking this stick, it's gonna hurt a lot more. This stick's gonna hit a lot more.
You sure?
Yeah, I think it is.
You want me to
think
go
it is.
for it or no?
I don't know, Taylor. Do you think you can dodge this? Like that? Or like that?
So, want me to go for it?
I don't know, should you? Because I think I can catch this.
Want me
No? Ah! Oh shit, he's throwing it! He's seriously throwing it! Oh, Taylor. I think we have an issue. Ah! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ow! Ow, you have my stick! Get back here! Get back here! Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit! You slipped! Oh. You slipped!